Guys, I gotta tell you, I really love my Creality laser engraver. It works great. I've had it for a few months now. This thing can cut super intricate pieces and even small ones like this. Just look at this letter. The only problem I have is I don't have a designated spot for it right now. Currently, its home is right on my miter station, so when I go to make a long cut, I've got to move my laser engraver off my miter station. A quick measurement and my laser engraver is going right there. After a few more measurements, it's time to make the shelf. I really want a track saw, but this guide from Harbor Freight does a great job. Here I am ripping some plywood. Now it's time to mark my material. I highly recommend these pencils from NicPro. They've got a built-in sharpener at the base. They work great. This 2-pack right here even works on metal. Here I am marking my material. The speed square comes in really quick and it's really handy. Now here I am figuring out the depth of my slats and making my cuts. The speed square again comes in handy for making quick straight cuts. As you see here, I'm using my previous cut as a template for my next cut. I did measure 8 inches on all 4 corners right here, but I like to use a clamp and then slide the shelf in place first to ensure everything is level and that no mistakes were made, no extra screw holes. As you see, it's right on the money. Now it's as simple as pre-drilling and putting in some screws now that I know it's perfect. I've had this super bowed piece of wood forever, and I'm making small cuts, so this is a perfect use. After more measurements, just rinse and repeat, making more cuts at the same length. All the tools I use in this video will be linked in the description. I could have used drawer slides right here, but I just sandwiched some pieces of wood together, and this will work great. Making sure to pre-drill before I sink in my screws. I wanted it to slide a little bit better, so I pulled it out, sanded it a little bit on all corners. Now it's time for the paste wax. Make it slide even better. I put it on all of these areas right here in which the shelf would slide against. Worked really good. I even put it on the shelf itself. This slides a lot better than it did previously. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I have a piece of wood right here. I might add a hinge to it just to give it a little bit extra strength right there, but I don't think it's really necessary. My laser engraver has a new home, and I reclaimed my miter saw station.